So this is a continuation from the previous video. So in the previous video I unboxed this MacBook Pro from this box packing, right? This whole nice box which kind of came with this MacBook Pro. It had a charger and the cable. Again, this is what it was before, and packed it all. So now I'm going to continue with setting up this MacBook Pro with you. Earlier I was mentioning that I used to have a MacBook Air. Again, this is a MacBook Air. If you keep it side by side or one top of another, as you can see, MacBook Air is definitely quite small as compared to a MacBook Pro. But again, with this is priced close to about $1,200 to $1,500 based on the configuration, and again MacBook Pro is upwards of $2,500. So this is the MacBook Pro I got. This has 1 terabyte of storage and I think 32 GB RAM. So I got an upgrade on the RAM, which is why it's kind of a little expensive. But again, most of the work I do, I need bigger RAM. So let's go ahead and start configuring it. It's asking me to register this MacBook Pro. So I'm just going to choose my country. And it's asking me to choose my Wi-Fi. So I'm going to choose a Wi-Fi out here. I'm going to give a password, so give it a minute. So as I'm giving the password, it's kind of connecting. So you can see how the keys are. Keys are pretty soft, and this is more like a touchpad, like a place to place your finger, and it starts and shuts off. And these are the keys out here. The trackpad is pretty big, as you can see. So it's pretty wide trackpad they've given you. Again, for data and privacy, I'm just going to continue. I'm going to do the bare minimum setup. So it's allows me to transfer the information to this Mac. So I'm not going to transfer this for now. But again, you can choose to kind of transfer your information from another Mac. So all in all, I feel this MacBook Pro is surely a better device. It's pretty high end, and the looks are really good. As you can see here, it's pretty nice. I'm going to just show you on the other side. It's pretty nice. Right, and if I can place both these side by side, so you can compare a MacBook Pro with a MacBook Air. So let's just compare them side by side. So this is how a MacBook Air looks in comparison to a MacBook Pro. I don't know if you can see it, but so this is how it looks like. There's a huge difference there. But again, you get what you pay for. So with that, please let me know if you have any feedback or comments for me. I'm going to be exploring this MacBook Air, and again also this MacBook Pro, because I bought this MacBook Air just a few months back, and now I moved to MacBook Air, so the MacBook Pro, and so I'm going to just explore both of them and see which one works better in which situations. On top of my head, I do feel MacBook Air is a better device when you're traveling or you're just on the go and you want to browse something. You really want to use a MacBook Air. But if you're more like going to stick to a place, you're just going to, and you would need more juice or more CPU intensive work, then I'll think MacBook Pro would be a better choice. So Air is more for, I guess, mobility, and Pro is more for more juice or more powerful machine. With that, I'm going to end my video. Thanks again for watching. Have a good day.